Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMind AI class assessment tool. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and export class assessments in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the subject, class level, and assessment purpose. This helps the tool generate age-appropriate and curriculum-aligned questions. Next, type in your learning objectives. You can enter one or multiple objectives. The system uses these to tailor each question to what you want to assess. Choose your preferred question types: multiple choice, true or false, short answer essay. Higher order thinking questions. You can select one or mix several formats. Click Generate Assessment. Within seconds, GMind AI will create a full set of questions based on your inputs. Review the questions. You can edit, reorder, or delete any item. Simply click on a question to make changes. This ensures your assessment fits your teaching style. If you want an answer key, toggle Generate Answer Key. You can also add or modify answers manually. When you're satisfied, export your assessment as PDF, Word, or Google Doc. You can also save it to your GMind AI library for future use. Explore additional features like auto-grading use. To view your saved document on GMind AI library, click on My Workspace. You will see a drop-down, then click on Library, and you will see it. You can also download it on your device. You're now ready to create fast, accurate, and customized assessments with GMind AI. For more tutorials, visit our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.